How to fix 0x800b010e error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click command prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Ensure that your disk is not damaged. You can perform checks using administrative command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Restart your device to perform the check. Select one of the following network profiles: domain, private, or public. Under Microsoft Defender Firewall, click the toggle button to turn it on or off. If that didn't work, Method 4. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.